Do you know how to reduce your taxable income? Well, in this video, we're going to cover ways to reduce your taxable income and show you the smartest way to save your hard-earned money. This is Swati Basi, your virtual financial advisor. For the best advice on personal finance, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. The simplest way to reduce your taxable income is to maximize your retirement savings. Both health spending accounts and flexible spending accounts help reduce tax bills during the years in which contributions are made. You can deduct income that you deposit into a registered pension plan and registered retirement saving plan up to a limit that is based on the income you have earned in previous years, the amount previously claimed, and an annual ceiling. Canada's tax system provides many deductions and tax credits that will reduce the tax you pay. It pays to find all the deductions and credits that apply to you. The tax deductions and credits that apply will vary through your life as your family and financial circumstances change. The way the tax deductions and credits apply are very specific. So check the General Income Tax and Benefit Package or get experts' help to see how they apply to you. The main advantage of an RRSP is that it allows for a tax refund. This means that contributing to an RRSP allows for a deduction from your current income tax at your current tax rate, thus reducing your taxable income. Get an expert's help to know which saving strategy will work best for you to reduce your taxable income every year, and also be able to substantially boost your savings in a tax-effective way. We all file taxes every year, but the difference is for those who file taxes with a strategy that is tax-effective are more successful than those who just file for the sake of it just because it's mandatory by the government. If you put simple efforts, you get basic results. But if you want extraordinary results, you need to put extraordinary effort to make sure that what you're doing is in the right direction and working with a financial advisor who has tremendous knowledge and knows which financial strategy will work out best for you. Do you want to unblock your financial abundance, heal your relationship with money, create ease with money, attune to the frequency of abundance of savings, and create wealth in the most tax-efficient way? Then click the link below for your complimentary Secure Gateway Game Plan Financial Worksheet. This free financial worksheet is one-of-a-kind document created by me and available nowhere else. So why wait? Go ahead and click the link below to get your complimentary financial worksheet now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up sign, subscribe to my channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching. Personal finance made easy, so it's time to start your own financial game plan.